Hello everyone, it's Caribbean and Tina.
Hi.
Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody just having just a marvelous day, and I hope that you are in the best of health.
Yes, with health as always being most important. So hopefully you're watching these videos in order. And since I know that some of you aren't, stop, go back, watch the live. You're not going to understand what I'm talking about unless you've seen the live. Have you seen it? Go back. You have? Okay, let's begin. So if you guys watched the live, you heard the big reveal
of we're going to Portugal, the Silver Coast.
Yes, bags are packed, tickets are purchased, paperwork is stacking its way on up, and we are getting ready to go through our last few weeks here in the DR. So what a better time to reflect back on things that we are going to miss about the Dominican Republic. But remember, we're going to continue to bring you a lot of product and a lot of videos and information on the DR because, hey, we've spent over 2 years here. We have a lot to say. We have a lot that we know. And we always try to bring you guys the best, up-to-date, timely, and accurate information. And that will never stop no matter how far we go.
So that means we're still going to have our connections here. Okay?
Exactly. So with that, let's start. Drum roll, please. On the number one thing that Eric said he's going to miss the most about leaving here. And that's, of course, friends, acquaintances, and our
viewers.
Yes.
The people we got a chance to meet, sit down, ate, had dinner, had lunch, did some videos with.
Yes.
Fun times.
Like-minded
memories.
Individuals who thought and pursued living outside the box.
Outside that box, baby.
So yes, there will always be that little part of us, but hey, all you guys are welcome to join the escapades, follow the journey, and come on down to Portugal, see what life's all about. But number two, I think, is the ease of using Uber.
Right.
This guy drove his whole entire life practically. He was a driver. How'd you enjoy over 2 years of not having to drive?
Well, you know what? I loved it. That's what you call a vacation. Yep. Sitting back, kicking back, relaxing, and being chauffeured.
Yeah.
But now, I got to go back to driving.
Yeah.
I ain't going to like that too
gas,
much.
maintenance, all that good stuff. But yes, I'll definitely miss the ease and the price of Uber here in the DR. It honestly can't be beat, but we'll see, because when we go to Portugal, Uber's there too, so for a while we'll be using that, and we'll be letting you know how much the prices are over there as well. So third, you know, it's got to be the food, the rum, the coffee, the cigars. What do you think?
Oh my goodness. I mean, it's certain restaurants we went to. I ate my brains out. I'll never forget these restaurants. One by one, name by name, I shook hands with owners, took some pictures of them. You guys seen us eating there.
Sure.
Food was fantastic.
But I think the food was equally as good at the house from some of the supermercados locally. So just great food here that I can only say can only be found in true Dominican cooking, so only in the Dominican. Breakfast, for example, you know, having fried cheese and fried salami. I never had that till I came here. Yum. So good. A nice glass of Santo Domingo coffee, like it can't be beat. You know, the finest rums are made here, and hey, that's me, a Puerto Rican. I love my Puerto Rican rum, but I love my Dominican rum too. So I'm gonna miss that. And truly, some of the best cigars I have smoked have been from right here in Santiago. And fourth, of course, will be the sights and the adventures that we've taken, that we've seen. From us seeing cows pass by and the car having to stop in the North Coast, to chickens being chased down the street, only here in the DR. Your birthday in Cap Cana, my birthday in the North.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The chickens in the morning waking you up.
That's the rooster.
The roosters. And the cows and the pigs and everything else they got here.
True. Beautiful sights, a lot of untouched beaches. Don't think you have to go to the places that everybody else has been. The beauty of this country is everywhere. from their forestry to the mountains to the rivers to the beaches. There's just so much to do and to see when you travel from the Ruta to the Tuta, the north to the south, the east to the west. There is so much to see, and we really have enjoyed our time here. We want to tell you, all our viewers, that nothing's going to change. We're still going to have our Dominican content, but hey, look at it this way. Now you're going to see a whole different country as well that you may not have considered and might want to consider once we come with our next few videos on why we're moving to Portugal, first off, why we chose Portugal, what is in Portugal, because most people don't even know where Portugal is located or what it has to offer. So we plan on bringing everything from the move here to our arrival in Portugal. So stay tuned.
Just like we did before.
Yes.
Same experience we gave you when we left Las Vegas, Nevada. We're going to give you the same experience.
I think it's going to be
leaving
better.
Here. But yeah, it's going to be a lot better.
I think we've gotten a little better at it.
Yeah, a lot better. It's going to bring you a lot better, more to see, and more to know.
Yes. So stay tuned for that. And as always,
in the meantime, between the time, always remember that life is to be enjoyed.
Yes. And always make sure that you're hitting that subscribe. You hit that bell for notifications. Always give this and all videos a thumbs up. It is a free and easy way that you can patron this channel, because hitting that subscribe and hitting that thumbs up changes that algorithm so that we can bring you timely, current, precise, and accurate information straight to you, the YouTube audience. And all information is always underneath the channel if you would like to get a hold of any of our affiliates because you are thinking about living outside the box. And if you need that consultation, remember, we will still be available for you. Just hit us up on buymeacoffee.com/Caribbean. And for those of you that are thinking about Portugal, once you see a few of our videos,
hello.
buymeacoffee.com/Portugal. So, until next video, see you in Portugal.